Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today's video is topic about how to use advanced search on a Twitter. Many of us want to know how to use advanced search on Twitter because it is so important about to search. So let's get the video. First go to Twitter apps. Then click on search icon. Click on search icon. Search anything like Amazon. Then search it. And you will see settings icon. Click on it. That means it's advanced search. You are right now going to advanced search. Then you can choose anyone on a location anywhere, or you can select near you. Then if you select near you, then you click on apply. Then you will see nearby people who is related by Amazon. I think you guys get understand about advanced search of Twitter. If you like our effort, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Bye bye, we'll see you in the next video.